This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open a Nissan Pathfinder trunk. To begin, locate the trunk release button on your key fob, which typically features a small car with an open trunk. Press and hold this button for approximately 2 seconds. You will then hear the latch disengage, and the trunk will automatically lift open, providing easy access to your cargo space. This method is very convenient for everyday use. If your key fob isn't working or the vehicle battery is low, you can use the manual release from inside. Access the trunk area and locate the emergency release lever, which is typically a small, glow-in-the-dark handle near the latch. Pull this lever firmly towards you, and the trunk will unlatch. This is a crucial safety feature, especially in emergency situations or when power is lost. Many Nissan Pathfinder models also feature an exterior release button. Look for a small, discreet button located just above your rear license plate, often integrated into the trim. Simply press this button, and the trunk will unlatch, allowing you to lift it open. This is a handy option when your hands are full and the key fob isn't immediately accessible. If your trunk still isn't opening, first check for any physical obstructions that might be blocking the latch or the trunk's movement. Also, ensure your Nissan Pathfinder is completely unlocked before trying any of these methods. Sometimes a simple unlock is all it takes. For more great tips and resources, including a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.